A new study of nearly 200,000 adults published in the Journal of Internal Medicine reveals that the shingles vaccine is safe for preventing shingles. About 1 in 3 people aged 60 and older will get shingles, causing a painful, blistering skin rash that can last 2 to 4 weeks. Some people may develop severe nerve pain that can last for months or even years after the rash goes away. Ed Neuzil, registered nurse practitioner at Allergy Sinus and Asthma Family Health Center, says that if you are over the age of 60, you should consider getting the shingles vaccine.
The shingles is an outbreak of the herpes zoster, which is the chickenpox, okay, which once you have is in your system and it's always in your system, okay. People that actually get cold sores, that's a form of it. Whether you've had the chickenpox or not isn't necessarily the issue, because if you've lived in this country for the last 25, 30 years, you've been exposed to it. And so that's not become the bigger issue that we had before. So whatever we can do to actually prevent this occurrence, something like the flu vaccine, is beneficial to do, especially in the age group that we have in the Central Florida area. It was at one time approved for those individuals 60 and above, and recently the FDA has now approved the shingles vaccine, or the Zostavax, for the prevention of shingles in those individuals 50 and above, because they found that in that group that we weren't treating, by giving the shingles vaccine or the Zostavax, we can reduce the incidence of shingles by 70%. So it's something that is out there for those individuals in this particular age group that can dramatically affect the disease process. The one thing with the shingles vaccine, if they get the vaccine, you want to avoid being around individuals that are immunocompromised. So anybody that's got HIV, chemotherapy, pregnant women, little babies, you would want to avoid any contact with them for generally 5 to 7 days.
At this time, the CDC does not have a recommended routine use for this vaccine for adults aged 50 to 59. However, the FDA has approved the vaccine for this age group. You'll find links for more information on the shingles virus, as well as contact information for Allergy Sinus and Asthma Family Health Center when you click the Shingles Vaccine Story link icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.